Hey there everyone, all the techies and data enthusiasts there. So guys, welcome back to another video of Python series. It's been a long time since we have come up with Python videos. So these many days I was busy with creating Transformers Simplified playlist. So if you have checked out those videos, you will get to know. So I have detailedly explained about the Transformers architecture, which will be helpful for you all in your interview as well. Those who are targeting for NLP engineer or data scientist interviews. So if you have not checked that particular playlist, make sure to check it out. The playlist link will be in this video description. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about control statements in Python. So control statements plays a vital role in Python. So if you don't know control statement, it's very difficult to write the logic or execute a specific block of code. So in Python, the main topics or the main advanced concept which comes in production level as well is control statements. So if you don't understand control statements, it's very difficult to write a code for production level or any functionalities which you want to write for an end-to-end programming and even a simple program in notebook as well. So this is very important video. I hope you all stay till the end of this particular video and you can check out the complete code and I'll explain the things very clearly. So make sure to stay till the end of this particular video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So guys, I hope you all can see this document here, how we used to previously discuss the same way we are going to discuss. So control statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. It allows you to control the flow of a program by executing a specific block of code depending on whether the condition is true or false. The primary statement is of this control statement includes if, else and elif. So what is if, what is else and elif? We will discuss about this in detail. So the main work of this control statement is if a particular block of code you are executing, if by chance any interruption comes in or if anything fails there, the else statement should execute. So that is the main syntax, or you can say the main workflow. Just understand this for now. Else statement, in a sense, in else there will be a different code block. So if that fails, this code will execute. So just understand about this. I'll explain you all in coding in detail. So when we discuss about the examples. So now here, this is the syntax for it. If condition. So this condition and there will be a code block. Elif is another condition. About this, I'll explain you when we are going to go with the elif condition statement. So I'm not going to explain it now. Just understand the syntax because you will get confused. And else statement. Okay, so this is the normal syntax, how we write a particular code block. So first let us see a basic if statement. Okay, so for this let us create a new notebook in Python called as Python 12. So this is a 12th video. So let me create the 12th video block here, Python 12, and I'll just name out control statements. Control statements. So let me just copy out the same example, or else let me just write it's a very simple example. Age is equals to 19. So this is an example one. If age is greater than 20, I guess what it is given, greater than or equal to. Okay. If age is greater than or equal to, let us take 15 here. 15, print not 15, let us take it as 18. Adult person, you can see, or a adult person, or you can say even yeah, let us keep it adult person only. So let me just run this. So now the age is of 19, so you are an adult person. If I change this age to 15, you can see here. So okay, So when I change it to 15, it will not work because there is no else statement. So when there is no else statement, it is not working. That we will discuss. But whichever age is above 18, right? So that is that person, it will print this, it will execute this block. If the age condition fails, it is not going to execute this block. This is a simple if statement. Understand this for now. Simple if statement. Okay. This is a simple if statement. Okay. Now let's go forward with the next example. If and else statement. Okay. So if and else statement, we are taking the same example itself here also. Okay, for this, let us execute this. I'll take the same code and let us make some changes here. So if statement is done, else print minor kid, or you can say you are underaged. You are underage kid. Okay, so you are an underage kid. I'll mention this. Now here, instead of each time changing in the code, let us do this. Int input. Okay, that's all. So if I run this, it will ask me for the input. I'll just give the age as now 15. Enter. You can see here, you are an underage kid. So if I execute this again, and if I give here 20, it will tell you you are an adult person. So in short, what here it is happening is, so first let us go with this code, age int input. So what this int input will do is, it will take based on whenever you run the code, right, it will ask you, it will prompt you to enter, it will prompt you to enter whatever number you want to enter. If you give int, it will ask you to enter the number. If you remove int and if you go only with input, it will ask you to type the string or anything is acceptable there. And if block will start. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, print you are a adult person. So what this will do, it will check this condition. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, this condition is matched. So if this condition is getting matched when we enter 20, then it will print that if block. If the condition is not matching, then it will print the else block. I hope you got this example very easily. So that is what going on. The else block is about this. You're understanding this logic, I guess. After this, we have elif as well. So if you want to learn elif also, right? So for elif also you have this one. Let me copy this elif, voila. Don't worry, guys. You will get this complete notebook in this notebook, this PDF notebook, and also this particular file. It will be mentioned in the GitHub, and the GitHub link will be in this video description. Okay, so just concentrate on understanding the code logic. It's good enough. If else and elif statements are here. So now what we'll do, we'll let us copy this same code this time. Okay, this code is a bit different, so let us copy this. So okay, this is formatting error is there. 1 second. Yeah. One, two. Okay. So make sure the indentation is proper. If there is no proper indentation, it will throw an error. So what this code is doing, let me just give here the same int input. Int input, open and close brace. Yeah. So yeah, here what it is happening. If age is less than 13, you are a child. If age is less than or equal to 13, I mean elif statement, okay, if that fails, If age is less than or equal to 13 and age is less than 18, then you are a teenager. Else, you are an adult. Okay, I hope you're clear about this. So, okay, let me just write this. Mm, Let me give it here 20. So, it should print you are an adult. Let me again run this. And if I give the age this time as 11, it will print your child. So, the if block is executed successfully and else block is also executed successfully. When it comes to teenager, so if I give the age as 15, it will print. Okay, it will print you are a teenager. Oh, I try to run the cell again, so that is an issue. It's not a problem. You are a teenager. So all the three blocks are getting executed. Now let us make a small changes in this. Okay, I'll copy this code. I'll paste here. So you can add actually multiple elif statements as well. So after this, again I can write an elif statement here. Elif age is less than elif age is less than or equal to. Okay, wait. Age shouldn't come here. The number should come here. So if elif age and again if it is less than 50, okay, print you are a family man. I hope this is great enough. Okay, let us execute. So now if I give the age as 30, it will say you are a family man. Okay, so if I give the age again now to 17, then it should say you are a teenager. So you can add multiple elif statements here. In short, here what is happening, if you have multiple elif statements, if you have multiple conditions to write, only if and else, only two conditions are there, only if and else is enough. But if you have multiple conditions to write, so each condition should be checked, and if one condition fails also another block should be executed, then you can come up with the elif statement where you have multiple conditions to be written and the code block will definitely execute according to the requirements. Okay. So if else elif is here and you have even nested conditions, and even you have this example of combining the conditions as well. So let us come up with this both and real world example. Okay, another two, just another two, you can say another two methods are there. If you learn this, you have successfully completed the control statement. Let us come up with this now. So combining conditions. Let me make this as markdown. And now I'll copy this code. I'll explain you. It's very easy code actually. So if you understand this, it's really great enough. Okay, indentation error. Same. Okay, let's fix it out. So indentation error is here. Make sure you also have a look on the indentation error properly. Oh, I executed it directly. 1 second. Yeah, print else. So here what we are doing, we are directly using the AND statement, and or this also can be used. So if age is greater than or equal to 18 and has ticket, then you can say you can enter into the concert, else you cannot enter into the concert. So let's make this a bit changes. Okay, so let's make this changes here. Enter into Coldplay concert. Okay, so after this elif age is greater than or equal to 18. Age is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, and also you have this one as well. Let us take 18 or hash ticket, then print enter the show. And here I'll change the age to, let us say, 35 for a family man. Age is less than, and this should be, here it should come 18 less than or equal to. Okay, now it should execute. Let me change this to input. Okay, now if I give the age as 20, enter, you can enter the Coldplay concert. Okay, so if I change this to false, and now if I go and enter an, say, yeah, 20, you are a family man, you can enter the show. Okay, you can enter into the show. It is written here. So any one should be executed, right? So that is the reason. So if I make this to true, both will be all obviously executed. So either one condition it is taking in, either age or ticket. Okay, so that's the reason it was coming. So if I change this back to and, it is enough. So now if I give age 20, you can enter into Coldplay concert. And if I give here 30, you can enter into Coldplay concert. And yeah, okay, so I got it. This should be age should be less than. Okay, that was a mistake here. So if I give 20, you are a family man. And if I give again and 15, you can enter into Coldplay concert. If I give the age this time as 55, you cannot enter into the Coldplay concert. Now the condition is perfect. So you can write multiple conditions in one if and else statement. That is what I wanted to tell you all in this. I hope you got this. And finally, we are left with nested if conditions. So let me just copy this and explain you all about this nested if condition. Okay, now let me copy the code. So it's nothing but multiple conditions will be there. Apart from that, nothing else will be there. You can write nested conditions. It's very easy to understand as well. Not a problem. Let me just copy this and make the code proper. It's an indentation error. Oh, okay. Here we are combining. Okay, this is not required actually. Let me remove this. Three if statements are written, I guess. One, two, three, yeah. And else statement is for this. else statement should come here. This else statement is actually perfect here. Okay, now we can see here. Welcome to the concert. So why welcome to the concert? Welcome to the VIP section. So what it is saying, if has ticket and if is VIP, welcome to VIP section. Else print welcome to the concert. Else you need ticket to enter in. So if I give a ticket as false, that will execute. So you need a ticket to enter in. So and it comes to age as well. If age is less than 18, then we are telling you need your age is very less to enter in. So if I give age as 13, you are too young to enter in. Okay. So now if I make this also true, it will come. You can enter into VIP section. Welcome to VIP section. You can see here. That's all. It's a nested if statements. This both the statements are matching, then you will get this. So if this both the statement, if anyone is getting failed, then you will get this else statement. If these both are in this both, this is getting good and this is not, then you will get you need, and if you don't have a ticket, you need ticket to enter in this. If this fails, this else statement will execute. And if age, else statement will execute. This is about nested statements. So in one if condition, you can write multiple if statements inside itself. Multiple if and else statements. That is called nested statements. Then you have an example here. So it's a very easy example. I'm not going to explain it here. You can real world example. You can have a look at on the book and you will understand it very detailedly. And even this example as well about multiple if statements. Okay, so you will get it in detail. I would recommend you to go and have a look on it. It's very simple to understand. Okay. So guys, I hope this video was interesting for you all. Make sure to go and have a look on those and execute. And let me know about any errors if you face in the comment. So let us meet you all on the next video. Bye bye.